if you now this is from what it sounds like to me, you dealing with somebody who's financially stable.
Mm-hmm.
So the money becomes an even bigger factor in the relationship, because it's one thing to be in an abusive relationship with somebody who don't got nothing.
Right.
Because we see that too.
But then you think, once I leave, I ain't gonna have all this.
I ain't gonna have this money.
Yeah, and that's dumb.
Yeah.
Because you can rebuild yourself up and go get that job that you wanted so bad that he didn't want you to have, and rebuild yourself up. Because it took me a while.
Yeah.
I was in my early 30s before I realized my worth.
Mm-hmm.